Good morning, guys. So ChatGPT is controlling my day-to-day, but with one exception, because I already have a pre-planned event that's happening, aka my appointment. I have a car appointment at 8:40, so that's about it. That's all the exception with this day in the life that ChatGPT planned out. But anyways, according to ChatGPT, I'm to wake up at 7:30 a.m., which I did. It's now 7:35 a.m. Just kind of put on my clothes and stuff. So, according to ChatGPT, I'm supposed to be eating breakfast now. It is 8 a.m. I guess I'm gonna do that. It also told me to opt for something light, so I know the perfect breakfast for that, which is Bear Bells. I love these protein bars. No advertising stuff, by the way, not sponsored. But I just love these stuff. So, obviously, you're gonna make my Nespresso coffee here. It doesn't say in the ChatGPT, but hey, it's breakfast, right? Oh, come here. There you go. So, according to the chat, I'm just to eat breakfast until 8:15. So that's what I'm gonna do. It didn't say like to do something productive, so I'm just gonna be on my laptop. I'm just gonna watch YouTube videos. It's only 15 minutes. Real quick, guys, are any of you searching for the perfect Father's Day gift? Well, look no farther, as Extra Smart Wallet is the ultimate accessory for the modern day dad or husband, and they are today's partner for this video. Okay, so what makes the Extra Smart Wallet the ideal Father's Day gift? Well, let me tell you. First of all, it's all about the design. Extra Smart Wallets are sleek, stylish, and crafted with precision. Made from high quality materials, they're built to last and make a lasting impression. And with the quick card access, your dad or husband can easily access their card with a push of a button. Second, Extra Smart Wallets comes with RFID protection, so say goodbye to worries about digital theft and keep your dad or husband's sensitive information safe and secure. Third, Extra Smart Wallets are trackable and convenient. With their Extra Tracker card, your dad or husband will never lose his wallet ever again. But here's the best part. So right now, Extra is having an exclusive Father's Day sale, so when you visit their website, extra.com, use my special code LLOYDSIM to get up to 35% off site-wide for your purchase. Celebrate your dad's or husband's special day with a gift that combines style, security, and innovation. Head over to extra.com today and make this Father's Day unforgettable. Alright, it's almost 8:15, and according to ChatGPT, I'm supposed to get ready to leave now. So, let's go. Alright guys, time to head out. So according to this maps, that should take me there by exactly 8:40 a.m. Google Maps, so assuming there's no like crazy traffic, I should be there on time. Alright guys, made it to the dealership and about to get my car maintained. AKA fixed on leaking CV boot thing. So here it goes, just drive up the garage. And yeah, just gonna go from there. So guys, here at the dealership, and yeah, it might take 2 to 3 hours or so. And according to ChatGPT, I just need to be productive. You know, laptop, smartphone, do some personal development activities. A few more notes left. Alright guys, change of plans. So the dealership just told me that my car will take at least tomorrow for it to be completed. So, improvising a little bit of ChatGPT stuff here, because literally the next 2 hours I'm supposed to like wait at the dealership and like be productive, which I was. I answered some emails and stuff like that while on PTO. But yeah, I mean, I guess got nothing else to do for the next 2 hours, so I'm just gonna bus home and just kind of, ooh, there's a bunny. I'm just gonna enjoy the ride, and I guess use that as like my productive time and take the bus life. It's been a while since I've taken the bus though, so we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, so just got off the bus. Gonna take the Link Light Rail now. Head home. According to my ChatGPT day in the life thing, I still got until 11 a.m. to get home. So that should be plenty of time. Alright guys, so I just got home and the train was delayed, about 20 minutes or so delayed, but it's currently 11:38 a.m. and according to ChatGPT, I mean I was supposed to be home around like 11 or so ago I think, or I don't know, 11:15, but anyways, I'm supposed to be productive today. It gave me a list right here to do, and so I guess I can just pick one or two, a couple of them, but it's my PTO, so I'm just gonna pick one of them, and that is to lift weights. Alright guys, so just wrap up my workout. Time to eat. So according to ChatGPT, prepare a healthy meal and all that stuff. So let me go do that right now. Alright guys, so healthy here I guess. We got chicken breasts and half of a cup of rice here, as well as vegetable dumplings. So that's my lunch. So according to ChatGPT, I have like, I don't know, 2.5 or so hours to kill basically. It told me to be productive. So the way I'm gonna be productive is I'm gonna take this dog out, go for a little walk, and just kind of go from there. Because it is my PTO. I don't want to like enroll in some class, spend money and stuff. There's some inflation going on right now, guys. Come on. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna eat and be productive for the next 2.5, 3 hours here. Guys, out on our productive walk, so got a few hours to kill, and then I'm gonna check out what ChatGPT planned out for me for around, I don't know, 5-6 p.m. or something like that. Alright, just got back from our walk guys, and having some fair life. I gotta get my protein intake for the day. But got about 3 hours or so to kill here, and I am gonna do nothing. Staycation right here, and yeah, it's my PTO. Why not take advantage of it? Just relax and clear my mind and stuff like that. Also, I just realized that I think my vlogs are just kind of, I don't know, rusty right now. Trying to get back to it, trying to get back to my roots. I've been posting a lot of like review videos, and impressions and stuff like that. But this time, try to get back to my roots, start vlogging once again. Just gotta post day in the life kind of stuff and what I've been up to. Okay, I think I'm gonna catch up on some episodes of You on Netflix. I haven't actually watched it since like March, and I'm kind of behind. Anyways, I'm gonna go watch it, guys, and I'll catch you all at like 6:30 or something like that. All right, guys, it is now 6:16 p.m. according to my watch. Oh no, right there. And I've been actually watching season 4 of You on Netflix. So far, so good. I'm liking this new season. But anyways, yeah. So at 6:15. To engage in leisure activities and unwind, all that stuff. So my girlfriend just finished working. She's not off today. She's working from home today though, so luckily. But anyway, she just finished, and so yeah, we're gonna do spending time with loved ones. But what we're gonna do is actually combine these two together right here. So the 6:15 and 8 p.m. and just gonna have a relaxing evening and then a wholesome dinner. We're gonna eat out. But I just realized I didn't actually look at all the way to the end here. But I just realized that ChatGPT wants me to start winding down by 9:30 p.m. and then get ready for bed at 10:30 p.m. That is kind of ridiculously, it's ridiculously early. And like I literally told ChatGPT that I am gonna sleep at 1 a.m. So to get ready for bed and get, all that stuff and just prep myself for bed, starting at like 9:30. That is a long time, so I'm not gonna do that. So I think I'm gonna improvise a little bit. So we're out here, guys, for the dinner, relaxing evening thing. ChatGPT told us, or me rather. Green Lake area. Checking out the sunset. There's some clouds covered though, so it's pretty peaceful. Got some burger for dinner. I think this is yours, right? Fish? Mine's just a smash burger. It's really smells. Yum. Got some fries. Oh yeah. Alright. Dope. Alright folks, we're gonna head out now. So like I said earlier, the 9:30 through like, I don't know, 12:30 a.m. I'm gonna improvise a little bit because that's way too early to go to bed. So we'll see what I'm gonna do at home. What's going on, guys? So actually gonna end the vlog now. There's really nothing eventful anymore with ChatGPT aside from like winding down and stuff. Haven't been really doing anything either on my end except just chilling with a dog. Of course, my girlfriend. Alright guys, so that sums up the vlog. I did not get through like the entirety of my evening just because, as I mentioned, ChatGPT wants me to sleep, like get ready for bed at 9:30 p.m. and then just stay in bed and stuff like that until I fall asleep around 1 a.m. or so. And I'm not all about that. However though, I think I could have used more of its potential by being a lot more detailed and stuff like that with my prompt. I literally just had it planned out a day for me and decide my schedule hour by hour kind of situation. And I think if I was a lot more detailed, I think it could have gone a little bit better. It's definitely a powerful tool, but I think you really gotta know how to use ChatGPT to its full potential. Instead of it writing the most random schedule for my day without a lot of context. But anyways, that begs the question though, what do you guys think of AI? It's here now, it's gonna be part of our lives in the next couple of years, generations ahead. Obviously, it's still in its infancy stage. However though, are you guys very much welcoming of AI being part of our daily lives, or is it something to be cautious about, if you know what I mean? For me personally, tech is always evolving, tech is always changing, and we're already a part of this ever-evolving, ever-changing world, especially when it comes to tech. And so I'm all for it. I'm here to adapt it, good or bad, hopefully good. And I hope that it continues to improve our daily lives, the way we function, the way we work, the way we just do businesses. So that's just my 2 cents though. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.